5 ways to know English words into Spanish.
It's simple how easy it is to speak Spanish. Just follow a few simple rules to translate English words into Spanish and you can start communicating in Spanish instantly.
Let me give you a brief example. All English words that end with IC can be made into Spanish by changing IC to ICO. Most English words that end with TIN can be made into Spanish by changing TIN to CIN. All English words that end with ATE can be made into Spanish by changing ATE to AR. Almost all English words that end with AR can be translated into Spanish past participle by changing AR to ADO. For example, hablado, cantado, and bailado, regular verbs, drop ending AR and add ADO. Almost all English words that end with ER and IR can be translated into Spanish past participle by changing ER and IR to IDO. For example, bebido, comprendido, and sentido, regular verbs, drop ending ER and IR and add IDO. Please subscribe to Langwave's YouTube channel for more videos.